Hello everyone, welcome to Anscoff Academy. My name is Ike. In this video and the subsequent ones, we are going to learn how to create PHP login system using XAMPP as our local host server and then VS Code as the text editor. I have already installed the XAMPP and then the VS Code. If you don't know how to install and you want to know, you can do Google search and then YouTube search. You can get more videos to watch and then download it and install. It's not difficult task. It is going to be a video for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you are struggling on to understand the concept of login system in PHP, this is your video. We will go very basic and explain everything so that you understand it yourself. Okay, let's start programming and coding. So I've already installed the XAMPP and then the VS Code as I said earlier on. So let's open the XAMPP first. Mine is at the C drive. So open the XAMPP folder, the htdoc folder here, and then you create a new folder in it. Let's call it PHP login. Press enter. Then let's open this folder with the VS Code. So you can click and drag and put it here. Okay, to open. Or you can also right click and select open with code. It depends on the way you install your VS Code. This option here depends on how you install your VS Code. Okay, so let me click it like this. And then if it opens, let's create a new file in the folder that we created with the VS Code. Okay, so my machine is becoming slow a bit, so forgive me. Okay, it has opened. Now let's come here, create index.php. You can call this file any name that you want, but let's take the index. Okay, after that you want to create a basic HTML syntax. Okay, so you type HTML and then you select the HTML5. Okay, select this one. Okay, click on it, then the basic HTML syntax will appear. Okay, the title site, let's name it PHP login. Okay, then let's come to the body side. I want to put h1 tag there. Okay, and type PHP login. Okay, let's test and see if this is actually working. So to test it, we have to open our XAMPP, the control panel. Okay, mine is on the taskbar. If it's not there, you can search it through the search box. You can type XAMPP control panel. Okay, you can see it from here. You click on it and it will open. Okay, so you have to start the Apache and then you start the MySQL, start the two. Okay, then you can close it and you go to your browser. So let me open my Chrome browser, and then to test and to run the program and see if it is working, you type localhost / then the name of the folder in the hd doc folder, this one, the PHP login. You can copy it as I'm doing and paste it here. After PHP / then you put the whole folder name there. If you copy it, it will come exactly. If you can't type it, well, just copy as I've done. Then you press enter. So as you can see, this thing that we type here, PHP login, is working. So let's say new. So let's add new here and see if it is updating. So if you add the news, you can see it's appearing here, which means everything is working. Somebody will ask that where from this file we didn't include it here. Okay, but it has come because it is index.php file. It will come automatically because the browser will automatically select it. If you put it there or not, it will still come. So if I put it here, let's say log php sorry, slash index.php like this, and I press enter, the same thing is appearing. If I don't put it there too, let me delete it and use the same link on the same URL, press enter, it will come. Okay, so it is simple to understand that concept. Okay, I want us to add the Bootstrap files, the CDN files, so that the styling will be easy for us. So let's go to the Bootstrap. You must be on the net to do this. Okay, so you'll be on the net, then you search Bootstrap. So Bootstrap, let's use Bootstrap 5.3, press enter. We have a lot of versions of the Bootstrap. You can use any one of them you like, but let's use the current version. Okay, so let me click the Bootstrap, download Bootstrap version 5.3. Then I come to the introduction part. Okay, then we need these links here. We need the link. We need the CSS CDN link here. We need the JavaScript, okay, CDN link here. So you have to copy these two links. Okay, so let me copy them. Let me copy the the CSS one and then the CSS link and put it here. Okay, at this point you can even decide to delete most of these things. They are not necessary. Up to where the style sheet is, you can delete it. It will still work. If you like to, you can keep it there. It's up to you. Then let's copy the JavaScript CDN link too. Let's copy it. That one, paste it below the closing body tag. Below, okay. Then you can also delete this one. It's not necessary. You can delete it. Okay. So now, when I refresh, you see the font has changed. Okay, the font has changed. It means the Bootstrap is working. Let me also put this thing, this PHP login new in the container and see. So let's say div container, press enter, and let me copy this, Control X, Control V. Okay, and then refresh. Very good. It means the Bootstrap is actually working perfectly. Okay, so we can end here and proceed the next time. When we meet the next time, we will learn how to create the login form, how to insert data in the database, and then how to log in actually. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.